Review the final spreadsheet. Look at the last column titled Percentage Difference Between Doers and Non-Doers in this response. You will look for the largest numbers. These are the responses that are the most significant and most likely to result in behavior change if you focus on this. The positive and negative values indicate that there were more doers who said this, that's positive values, or non-doers, that's negative values. Both of these values are valuable as it shows where there is number of people already practicing the behavior that you want everyone to practice, that's doers, that we can learn from to enable more people to practice the behavior. Look at the largest values and the responses that yielded those high numbers that show up in yellow. Discuss what each response says. Who said them? Look on the wall if you need some insight on who says these responses. Look for a general summary of the genders, ages, roles that said these things. Look at what the doer said for that role and use the doer's response to help identify intervention that can address the problem behavior. Look at the determinant action plan sheet for suggested evidence-based interventions. These are interventions that are proven to be effective for that determinant in specific situations. Discuss these possible interventions with your group and decide which interventions you will propose. Complete the action plan sheet with 1. The response that is being addressed from the analysis sheet. 2. The suggested interventions that the group agreed are most appropriate, as selected from the menu of possible interventions and agreed by your small team. Consider the same and indicate at which level or levels the interventions will be used. 4. Discuss what the specific interventions will be at each SEM level and provide the requested detail in the sheet. If there are no members of the target community in your work group, be prepared to present your suggestions to them in a larger meeting later and how you might change or tailor the intervention based on their feedback. Once you have prepared the action plan sheet for your determinant, be prepared to share back with the whole group for feedback and to synergize responses across determinant for a joint action plan.